Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2026 Cadillac OPTIQ? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your SUV's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The 2026 Cadillac OPTIQ engine compartment fuse box is a centrally integrated power distribution module located in the front driver's side underhood area. It manages and protects key high-power electrical circuits, including EV control systems, cooling systems, and battery-related components. Designed with a sealed, heat-resistant cover, it ensures reliable operation and safety for the vehicle's electrical architecture. Instrument panel fuse box. The 2026 Cadillac OPTIQ instrument panel fuse box features a compact, centrally organized layout that protects critical cabin and electronic circuits for improved reliability and safety. It is designed for easy access during diagnostics and maintenance. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.